Hi friends, this is Rishi back with another video. How are you guys? Hope you're doing well and good, and welcome back to Legendary Cool Kids channel. Today we'll be seeing how to solve Sudoku. So from starting we all have to know the meaning of Sudoku, right? So I'm going to tell you that the meaning of Sudoku, it's a logical based number placement system and number placement game, and it's a single player game. It has 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and evil. So these are the 4 levels of a Sudoku game, and let's understand the main concept behind this game. The main concept behind this game is that a number must not repeat in a row, in a column, sorry, in a column or in a block. Actually, I did not told the meaning of block, right? The meaning of okay, let's understand the formation. You will get it. Okay, so this full game what you are seeing is a 9 by 9 grid game. It has 81 cells. If you count them, you get 81. You get 81 cells, and when you combine all these 9 cells as a square, you make a block. Okay, so this is a block what I was trying to tell you guys. So this was a block, and 9 blocks like these make a 9 by 9 grid game. Okay, I hope you got the meaning and formation, the main concept behind the game. So without much further ado, let's start solving this puzzle. So as I told, you can see, let's go number wise. Okay, let's see 1. So what I told, 1 must not repeat in a row or a column or in a block. So as you can see, 1 is already in a block over here, in a row and in a column already. So there is no chance for 1 to be in this row, in this column or in this block. So we move on to the next row. So there is no other 1 over here. So we neglect 1 first temporarily, because only if you have another 1 over here or here or here or here, then only you can find out the other one. So if you, let's see, if you have 1 over there. Okay, if you have 1 over there, there is one over here, another one over here. So the only place where 1 can come is over here. Why is that so? Because we have 1 over here, but temporarily we don't have 1, so we temporarily leave it. Number 2. So number 2, see, you can see, as we can see, 2 is over here, and as you can notice, there is another 2 also over here. So the only place where 2 can be placed is over here or here. But if you look carefully, you can see that 2 is in this row, in this column too. So the only place it's left with is okay, where am I left? 1, 2, 3. So the only place it's left is over here. Why is that so? Because you can see we have 1 2 capturing over this column and another 2 capturing over this column, and you can see the only place where 2 can sit was over here. Number 3, as you can see, there are no number 3s. Now leave it. Number 4, you can see, notice them, we have 1 4 over here, 1 4 over here. So the only place where 4 can sit is over here or here. So 4 can sit only over here, because you already have a 4 capturing over this column. So you can't make 4 sit over here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the terms in this game, right? So this, as you can see, T, this T, M, B. So these are the terms that I use. So T is for the top row, M is for the middle row, and B is for the bottom row. So guys, we use these T and B in all three, continuously 3 rows, and you can see L, C, R, that is left, center, and right. So this will also be used in all the columns as and all the columns. So let's continue. Now number 5. Number 5, we only have one number 5, so neglect it right now. Number 6. Okay guys, we have two number 6. One over here, the other one over here. So the only place it's left with is over here or here. But you have two places. We don't have any 6 in these both columns, so we temporarily neglect it. Number 7. Number 7, only once number 7, so we neglect it. Number 8, only 1, we neglect it. Number 9, 1, neglect it. Let's go to the next 3 rows. let's go. 1. Do we have any 1? No. Number 2. Yeah, we have number 2 over here and number 2 over here. So this row is completely captured by 2 and this row too is completely captured by 2. So the only place is left with is, guys, over in these two places. So we have only one place that 2 can sit over. So this is the only place. Why is it? Because we already have a 2 capturing over this place. So there is no place for 2 to sit over here. That is the reason why we make 2 sit over there. I hope you understood it. Now let's move on to number 3. Number 3, there is only one number 3, neglected. Number 4, okay guys, we have two number 4s. That is number 1 over here and other one over here. So the only place where it can sit is over here, because we don't have any place over there, so we make it sit over there. Number 5, only one number 5, neglected. Number 6, do you have any other number 6? Nope guys, that is the reason why I don't have any 6. That is the reason why I neglected. Number 7, okay guys, we have 3 number 7s. That's all different, so leave it. That's done. 7 is done. Number 8, okay guys, we have 2 number 8s. That is in this row and in this row. So only place it can sit is over here or here. If you carefully notice, we have 1 8 capturing over this column. So the only place it's left with is, guys, over here. Okay, now let's move to the next number, 9. 9 over here, another 9 over here. So the only place where 9 can sit is over here or over here, and the only place it's left with is, guys, over here. Why is it so? If you carefully notice, we already have a 9 capturing over this column. That is the reason why we put 9 over there. Now let's move on to the next 3 rows. Okay, number 1, we have 2 number 1s, one on this row, sorry guys, and one on this row. So the only place it can sit is over here or here. We make it sit only over here because we already have a row, we already have a 1 capturing over this row. That is the reason why we write 1 over there. And the number 2, we only have one number 2, so temporarily neglected. Number 3, we only have one number 3, neglected. Number 4, we don't even have any one number 4. Number 5, only one. Number 6, okay, we only have one number 6. Number 7, only one number 7. Number 8, okay guys, we have one number 8, that is in this row and in this row. So the only place where 8 can sit is over here or here. Okay, so we make 8 sit over here because 8 is capturing over this row. That is the reason why we make 8 sit over here. Now let's move to 9. Okay guys, we have one 9 over this in this row and another 9 over this row. So only place where 9 can sit is over here. Over here. Okay, now let's go vertically. Okay, now let's see left, center and right. Now let's check it. 6, no, we are doing numerical wise, right? 1 1, so we have 2 1s. The only place where 1 can sit was over here. Why is it so? Because you already have a 1 capturing over this column, sorry guys, it's called on, and another 1 capturing over this column. So only place is left with is in this column, and this is the only place where it can sit. Number 2, one number 2 over here, another number 2 over here. So the only place where 2 can sit is over here or here, but we make 2 sit over there itself. Why is it so? Because there is a 2 capturing over this row. That is the reason why we make 2 sit over there. Number 3, do we have any number 3 over here? No. Number 4, yeah, we have a number 4 over here in this row, in this column, and another over this column. So only place is left with is, guys, or here or here. We have 2 places temporarily neglected. So number 5, we don't have any number 5, neglected. Number 6, yeah, we have one number 6 over here and another number 6 over here. So the only place it's left with is, guys, over here or over here. So we have 2 places neglected temporarily. Okay, number 7 over here, over here. So the only place it's left with is this or this. We write 7 over here because 7 captures over this column, in this row. 8. 8 over here. Also, okay, we have only 1 8, so neglect it temporarily. Okay, guys, we have 9, our last number in this vertical columns, and we have 1 9 over here, and another 9 over here. So the only place 9 is left with is over here. So with this, we complete the first 3 columns. Let's go to the next 3 columns. That is 4, 5, 6 columns. Let's see number one over here. So we have only one number one, leave it. Number two, we have all the 3 number 2s. One is over here, another over here, and other is over here, so leave it. We are done with it. Number 3, only one number 3, neglect it. Number 4, we have one number 4 over here and another over here, so the only place where it can come is over here. Number 5, we only have one number 5, so leave it, neglect it. Number 6, one number 6 over here and another number 6 over here, so the only place it's left with is over here or here. We have 2 places, that is the reason why we neglect it. Number 7, one number 7 over here, we only have one number 7, neglect it. Number 8, okay, we have 3 number 8s, that is one over here, another over here and another over here, so we are done, leave it. Number 9, one over here and one over here, so the only places left with is over here. See, because we only have a 1 9 capturing over this row and another 9 capturing over this row, so the only places left with is over here. Okay guys, and if you carefully notice, there is only one number to be finished in this column. That, so let's check it. That is, okay guys, the first number, that is 1, is missing, so we fill it with a 1. And see, you got another 1, 1, 1, and 1 can only be placed over here. Now let's go to the next 3 columns, that is 7, 8 and 9. Number 1, only there is only one number 1, so neglect it. There is 1 2 over here, that is the reason why we put 2 over here or here or here. We have 3 places, but if you notice carefully, there is 1 2 over here, so we can't write 2 over there. There is another 2 over here, that is why I can't write 2 over there. So the only place 2 is left with is over there. Now let's move to 3. There is only 1 3, neglect it. Number 4, there is only one number. Okay, is there another number 4? Okay, yeah, there is another number 4, that is in this column, and another is in this column. So the only place it's left with is over here. Number 5, there are 2 number 5s, one is over here, other over here. So the only place it's left with is over here. I hope you are understanding it, guys. Number 6. Okay, there is no number 6 in this 3 columns, so let's move to the next number 7. There is one 7 over here, another 7 over here, so the only places left with is over here or here, so we have 2 places, neglect it. Number 8, one over here, other over here, so the only places left with is over here and here, so neglect it. Number 9, one over here, one over here, so the only place it's left. Okay, there are already 3 rows. Okay, there are only 3 columns in which the 9 is filled, that is one over here and one over here. Okay, let's come back to horizontal again. We will get some more numbers. Okay, number one and another number 1 over here or here. Why don't we write number 1 over here? Why don't we write number 1 over here? Because there is already a 1 capturing over this column. That is the reason why we write 1 on the top row. Number 2, well, okay, 2 is already filled, don't worry about it, leave it. Number 3, there is no number 3, so leave it, just leave it. And number 4 already filled, leave it. Number 5, okay, there are 2 number 5s, one over here, so the only place where it can sit is over here. Number 6, one 6 is over here, another 6 is over here, so the only place for 6 can sit is over here or here. But if you notice carefully, guys, 6 can only sit over there or here. No, 6 can sit only over there. Why is it so? Because we already have a 6 capturing over this column, so there is no chance of making sit over here. So the only place where it can sit is over here, and we can make a 6 sit over there. I hope you understood it. Let me repeat it once again for you. See, as you can see, there is 1 6 capturing over this whole row, and this 6 capturing over this row. The only place 6 is left with is this and this. And if you notice carefully, this 6 is capturing over this row. So the only place where 6 is left with is over there. And in this block, only one cell is only left. That is the reason why we fill it. Let's check it out. Okay, we are missing with 1. Okay, why not to double check it? 1 we are missing with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is only one place where one can sit. So we make one sit over there. And as you can notice carefully again, guys, there is only there is only one number where there is only one number to be filled in that column. So let's finish it. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, we are missing with 7, and let's check out 8 and 9. So we are missing with 7. Let's fill that block, guys. Let's fill that cell. Guys, we are finished with one cell. One block. Now let's continue. We are in number 7, right? So let's check it out. Number 1, number 7 over here, another over here. So the only place where 7 can sit is over here. And if you notice carefully, we only have one block in this, one cell only in this block. So let's fill it out. What are we left with? 1, 2, 3. Guys, we have missed with 3, but let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We are only left with 3. Let's fill it with 3. Okay. Now let's move to the next block. Next number 8. Where is 8? Okay. There is only one 8. Neglected. Number 9. Okay, I think 9 is filled. Yeah, 9 is completely filled. Leave it. Okay, let's move to the next 3 columns. Next 3 rows. That is number 1 over here. Okay, 1 is finished. Number 2. 2 is also finished. Good. Number 3. We only have 1 3. Leave it. Number 4. There is all the 4s are there. Leave it. Number 5. Okay, number 5. Is there any other number 5? Nope. So we only have one number 5. Leave it. Number 6. Okay. 1 2. Okay, yeah. We have to fill in 6, right? We can fill it over here or here. But we fill it only over there. Why? Is because we already have a 6 over in this column. And if you notice carefully, we are left only with one cell over there. So let's check it out. What is that number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing with 5, but why don't we double check it? And 6, 7, 8, and 9. So guys, we have to fill in that 5 over there. Let's fill it out. Okay guys, we completed we completed one column, and we only have one number left in this block, guys. If you notice carefully, there is only one number left in this block. Okay, let's check it out. What is that? 1, 2, 3. We are missing with 3, but we're going to double check it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are missing with 3. Let's fill it out. Okay, now let's go to the next numbers. So 4 over, there is one 4 over here, other 4 over here. So only place where 4, okay, 4 is done, guys. 4 is done. 5, let's move to 5. Okay, there is one 5 over here, other 5 over here. The only place 5 is left is in this bottom row, that is over here. Guys, there is only one number left, that is 1, 2, 3. We don't have 3 to be finished, but why don't we able to get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's fill it out with 3. Okay. And if you notice carefully, guys, we only have one number to be filled in this row, that is in the middle row of the first 3 rows. Let's fill it out. 1 2 3, again 3. So let's fill it out with 3. But before that, I want to double check it. 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So guys, we filled it with 3. It's done. Okay guys, we only have one more number filled in this that block. Let's check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay guys, we are missing with 8, and the other number is 9 over here. Okay, let's, without wasting much time, let's continue more. Okay, let's move to the next three rows. 1 1 1 1 is done. 2 2 2 2 2 is also done. 3, okay, we only have 1 3, so leave it. 4, okay, do we have any 4 over here? Yeah, only 1 4. Okay, 2 4, and the other 4 will be sitting over here, because the 4 already is taking over this row and over this row, so we can make 4 sit only over there. Now let's go to 5. Only there is only 1 5, leave it. Number 6, only 1 6, leave it. Number 7, is there any number 7 over here? Yeah, number 7. The only place 7 is left with is over here, because 7 is capturing over this column and the other 7 is capturing over this column. So the only place where 7 is left is over here. Number 8, one over here, other over here, and other over here. So 8 is done. 9 1 2 3. So the 9 is also done. Let's come back to vertical. 1 1 and 1 1 is done. 2 2 2 2 is also done. 3, we only have 1 3, so neglect it. 4, okay guys, if you notice carefully, we have only one number over here, that is, let's check it out. 1 2 3 4 5. We are left with 5. Let's fill it out, but where do we check it? 6 7 8 and 9. Yeah, it's 5, so we fill it with 5. Okay, let's come back again here. So we were left with 3, right? Over 3 is also done. 4 1 2 3 4 is also done. 5 not done, so we make 5 sit over here. Why is that? Because we have 5 over in this column and other 5 in this column, so the only place where 5 is left is in this column, and that is over here. Let's go to number 6 guys. Some number 6 is in here, another over here, so the only place where 6 can sit is over here or here. But if you notice carefully, 6 can only sit over here, because there is no place that 6 can make it over here, because we already have a 2 filled, so 6 can sit only over here or here. Okay, that is the reason why we make 6 sit over there. And guys, if you notice carefully, there is only one number left in this block, that is 1 2. We are left with 3. Let's fill it out. Let's double check it. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. So guys, we finished another block. Let's go to the next 3 columns. Okay, we have these 2 left, right? So what are the numbers missing over there? Let's check it out. 1 2 3. Let's check out if we have 2 3s. One over here, one over here. The only place 3 is left is over here or over here. But we can make 3 only sit over here. Why is that? Because you already have a 3 sitting in this bottom row. That is the reason it makes the 3 sit over there. And if you notice carefully, there is only one place where a number can sit over there. That is a missing number. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We are missing with 8, and we're going to double check, and 9. So we finished with another block. We only have one block to be completed guys, that is on this block, so we're going to directly jump into that block. So we are left with 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. We are left with 3 and 6. Let's see where 3 can sit. Only 3 can sit only over here guys, only one more number, but before that we're going to double check it. So because 3 is in this row and the other 3 is in this row. So we make 3 sit over here. Now let's check out what is the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, guys. We're missing with 6. Okay, 6. So we finish it, guys. This is the and I'm gonna give you the puzzle, the Sudoku puzzle. So I'm gonna give you a Sudoku puzzle. It will be in the description box below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our video, guys. I hope you loved this today's session. So bye, take care, and goodbye.